la sochaza organic chemistry using practice question lawa ama-exam question lawo ungawafica ngisho naku-exam yakho. So wenza le senze nalezo involve ama-boiling point kanye ne-vapor pressure, and then we move on to lezo involve nama-reactions. So let us quickly do the letters A to E below represent 6 organic compounds njengoba siwabona kanjaya. Nansi alcohol la ngenxa leya OH, siyabona aldehyde, alcohol, ketone. Fanele nje kube lula nje ukuzibona lezi zinto lezi, and then ke kuba naliyana ke i-alkane. So let us do our questions. Write down the letters that represent each of the following tertiary alcohol. Let's check it out. Which one will be a tertiary alcohol? Is it low C? They are all. But this one, it's on carbon number 1. If it's dweba ngeke abe tertiary alcohol ngoba ni tertiary alcohol finally be surrounded with 3 carbons. Nansi A. So the correct answer is A. Since uyabona nangu O uqala, nangu omunye O usurrounde loya C onaleya OH bond. Ngenxa ukuthi phela engithi i-tertiary alcohol siyibona ngokuthi surrounde ngabo 3 carbon kulo carbon lo ne OH bond kanjaya. So it's simply ukuyibona leyo into, right? So show lapha it is letter A. Okay, good. Then to anike an aldehyde. So check iphe aldehyde. So ibona ngani? So ibona nge-functional group okanye siyibone nge-suffix ya Al. Okay, la yikhe no Al. So nansi functional group ye-aldehyde. So siyayigegelezela kamnandi ku 1 2 3 4 oku butanal. So bafowethu, it's very simple lento le. So i-answer lapha it is B. Then a ketone, sibona ngani ketone nanku K1, sibone ngalo 1 lapho okanye sibone ngale bond ya O, yo O kanje in between lapho susela kubo O. But in this case nanku 1 la siyabona it's 2 dash butane. So sizoba ubani answer? Kuzoba D. A functional isomer of compound B. Ubani functional isomer ya compound B? Kusimple ke. I-functional isomer ya B, if ngishintsha i-functional group le ngithatha lokhu ngizombeka la, ngireplace lo, ngibeka a double bond ya O bese lapha kuba H. So that means ke yini leya sekufomisheka i-ketone le ya D. So yabonakala nje lento ade ngizama ukuyiveza. Good. So the answer it is D ngenxa ukuthi kuzophuma u-but 1 2 3 4 carbon number 2 sesishintsha leya engithi shintsha i-functional group siyibeka lapha, kuzophuma u-but dash 2 should the answer still D. Phela ngithi shintsha i-functional isomer ya B. So write down the IUPAC name of compound B. IUPAC name ya compound B, it's simple ngenxa aldehyde, so it will be butanal. 4 carbons means but, and then is suffix lapha ekugcineni it's Al, butanal. Then compound E, IUPAC name phela ngithi compound E. So there comes a challenge, and then it is 4 marks. There comes a challenge because inkulu yayibona ingakanani. So fanele usebenzise lama rules la kade siwasho. Check the longest chain, check closest to a branch, check ama substituents. So let us check the longest chain la. Maybe starting from this side, it's 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, it is 7. Let's check ukuthi liphi elinye. sibone ukuthi masiqala la sithi 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So this is the longest chain, so iyabonakala. And then so check ukuthi soqala ngakuliphi isayidi, soqala closer to i-functional group okanye ebe closer to i-branch. So we will start on this side, so it will be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So anemile kanje haya. And then once we are done ekunameni kanje, so check ke i-group, check ama substituents akho ukuthi alaphi. So checking ama substituents. Okay, ku carbon number 5 nansi substituents la. And then naku carbon number 6 nansi enye substituents. So nanka ama substituents, and then na functional group esiqale ngayo indicates ukuthi first qale kuliphi side. So we start alphabetically. So nansi substituents le, it's ethyl, leya u methyl. Right, sige qala alphabetically. So 1 2 3 4 5 ku number 5 kukhona ethyl, sengizobhala it's 5 phela ngithi e ufika kuqala kuno m ngenxa ukuthi methyl ya, zoba ethyl. And then dash on carbon number 6. Carbon number 6 kukhona bani? Oh futhi uyabona nansi enye substituents singayinakanga, kukhona futhi umethyl, naba babili omethyl lapha. Carbon number 6 there's methyl, and then futhi kuyena carbon number 6 kukhona futhi omunye umethyl. So it will be dash 6,6 di methyl ngenxa ukuthi kuno methyl ababili. And then i-parent name yala, parent chain izoba ubani? Oct, since ku 8 ngenxa ukuthi octane kanje ngenxa ukuthi kuno carbon about 8, longest chain leya. Octane dash ku carbon number 3 sesosho functional group kukhona u-OH bond, so sibhala 3 then all. So nanka-ke nje ibhalwa nje kanje haya. So ama marks ke nje maningi, it's long, indicator lokhu konke kunama marks akhona. So it's simple nje, mo understand ama rules, checking the longest chain, starts counting closer to a functional group okanye closer to a branch if ingekho functional group, and then check ama substituents akho, and then bese uyawasho ukuthi oba njenganala no methyl futhi again. Good, iyabonakala nje lento ade siyenza. So simple like that. Okay, moving on. So i-answer yalaphaya ka 2.2.2 inansi le 2.2.2. Good. Define positional isomer. So khumbula wonke lama definition ade ngiwachaza. Positional isomer, compounds with the same molecular formula. Same molecular formula ubalekile, same molecular formula. With definition fanele ubhale molecular formula ngenxa ukuthi isomer, same molecular formula, but positional, so hluka position, but different position of what? Position of a functional group or a substituent of a functional group okanye i-substituents. Ngayi noma yiphi ke, ngawu Cl noma ngawuba. So iyabonakala ke answer yethu ukuthi ithini. So just short nje kanje into ezibalekile lapha. Its molecular formula, same molecule. Okay, right. Let's see defineile. So know your definitions abalekile ukuthi wazi. To write down the structural formula of positional isomer of compound C. Positional isomer of compound C. Compound C, this one. So shintsha leya. Sishintsha i-functional group. Same molecular formula but different functional group. So sidweba structural formula sakhona. Just easy, 2 marks. Kati ku buts -1 shuthi kati bond lapha ku carbon number 1 there OH. So siyayishintsha ke sisothi same molecular formula, still have 4 carbons, but i-bond sizoshintsha ku carbon number 1, but sizoba ku carbon number 2 okanye ungayibeka la carbon number 2 mawuqala kulela side. So and then you best fill in with OH. Make twice structure udweba into enje. So easy like that. And then image libala, and then you same molecular formula. Good. To position structural formula for compound D, and then siyombheka compound D ukuthi ubani. But-21 kulula nje kakhulu ukubhala loyo structural formula. So it's beautiful. So we maybe use white. Balele ngezantsana ukuze H banga overlap. 1 2 3 4 on carbon number 2 sithi masiqala kuleli side 1 2 3 kanjalo. Omunye angawubhala nangapha, it doesn't matter ngenxa ukuthi it's 4 isometric length nje. And then so uyayibona ke nansi functional group yakhona yama ketone in carbon number 2. So nansi structural formula sakhona for u-D. So yabonakala nje lento. And then the organic acid that will react with compound C to form butyl propanoate. Yiphi lo organic acid? Organic acid, because this one it's for an alcohol. Lana ke siyaz identify ke la ukuthi kuzoba ubani ke propanoic acid, because it is alcohol, and then la butanol lo angithi yena lo simbone lapha ku C, nangu lapha ku C, and then propanoic acid. Propanoic acid. But the question is la, write down the structural formula siyamdweba ku propanoic acid. So asimdwebe la eceleni. Dwebeka kanjena ke prop 3 carbons 1 2 3, and then functional group yakhona, since it's just propanoic acid. And then it is indicating go H H H H. Khumbule 1 2 3 4 4 bonds around kulento njana kwi carbon atom. So nansi tebalekile la ile functional group ebondekile. I-process lapha omunye okhumbulayo ukuthi shuthi kwenzeka i-esterification ngenxa ukuthi kuphumani i-ester ebutyl propanoate. nanku naleya weight lo sekugcineni uyakusiza kakhulu ukulekelela ukuze ubone ukuthi kwenzakalani. So moving on, so siza kule question to study the vapor pressure versus time, not time, temperature graph for 3 organic compounds X, Y, Z as represented lapha with different homologous series. Atmospheric pressure 100 kilopascals, right? To write down the vapor pressure of Y, and then check Y, nangu Y la ekhona, and then so check vapor pressure yakhe ukuthi ubani. This is temperature along vapor pressure Y. So vapor pressure yakhe it's 150 ngenxa yabona nansi vapor pressure yakhe at bani with degree and 90 degrees to one at 90 degrees. Phela yamcheck 90 degrees ukuthi here nangu la ekhona, and then nansi ke vapor pressure yakhona should it will be 150 kilopascals. So it's very simple lokho kubona. So the graph can be used to determine the boiling points and of the three compounds. Define boiling point. Define kanjani ke boiling point. Into ezibalekile, a temperature at which, let's see, in short, temperature in which the vapor pressure equals what? Atmospheric pressure. Atmospheric pressure. So yabonakala onganye umunye ngathi external pressure. So ama marks ke nje are based ekutheni indicate lokho kubili, vapor pressure equals atmospheric pressure. Just easy, 2 marks. Definition is short ne simple kabi. The temperature at which vapor pressure is equal to atmospheric pressure. Determine the boiling point of compound X. Boiling point ya compound X. So I check lapha ya boiler khona ngempela. For X, nangu X boiling point yakhe bani 55 degrees Celsius. Yona boiling point isichecka ngani? Boiling point isichecka ngokuthi sithi 100 degrees Celsius, and then mase checkile 100 degrees Celsius, and then ke bese siyabheka sehle along. Oh, naku ngithatha into wrong. Yabo ungalenzi lelo phutha lokuthatha i-vapor pressure. Thatha wena la along lama axes ethu, checka ukuthi ke la ku boiling point yethi boiler lapha phezulu. So I temperature yakhona sizoba ku 55 degrees Celsius. Boiling point 55 degrees Celsius. Simthola kanjani? Let us go straight with that drum. 55 somewhere la around la sibone ukuthi okay la eboilela khona, and then ke sesiya indicator ukuthi okay that's i-boiling point yakhona. If sithi kanje now 55, it's somewhere along their range there. so mawukhuphuka uyabona ukuthi la igcinela khona phezulu, so it's 55 degrees. Okay, it's very simple logo. The homologous series to which the homologous series to which 3 compounds of similar molecular mass belong were identified in random order as alcohol, carboxylic acid, and ketones. Okay, which compound X, Y, or Z is a carboxylic acid? So i-check kanjani a carboxylic acid? So i-check ene boiling point enkulu with less vapor pressure. Oh, yiphi ene boiling point enkulu? This one, nansi boiling point yakhona is 125, but with less vapor pressure. So uz, it is a carboxylic acid. So sesiyam indicator Z kanjaya uyena carboxylic acid. Explain the answer to question 3.3.1 by referring to types of intermolecular forces, homologous series, and then uzo explain nange energy, explaining into eyiningi. Okay ke la 4 marks law, it's very simple ukuthi si unpack asubhale ke la. It is 3.3.2, 3.3.2. So the answer. So the carboxylic acid have in addition the London forces and hydrogen. So singasho ukuthi a simpler example singathi definition singathi carboxylic acids have stronger intermolecular forces since njengoba phela kuama hydrogen bond. It's kuama hydrogen bond, and then if a stronger intermolecular forces, that means you get 40 more energy is required to break bonds, and then you get hence highest boiling point, highest boiling point with less vapor pressure. That's how we identify. Sibone nje kanjalo, sibone ne highest boiling point and a less vapor pressure. So nje simply lento le yakhona. So any compound X has 3 carbon atoms per molecule. Write down the IUPAC name of compound X. 3 has 3 carbon atoms per molecule. Write down the IUPAC name of X. Alcohol, carboxylic acid ekanye ketone. So i-answer lapho ngaw propanol phela unani na 3 carbon atoms per molecule, so it's propanol. Ofomisheka kanjalo phela ngeke kube i-alcohol ngoba kuyenzeka abe na 1 carbon atom per molecule, so 3 carbon atom. Right, let's move on to the question lezo involve ama-reactions. So the flow diagram, njengoba ngeke ngakuvezela ukuthi amanye ama-questions they may arise in a form of flow diagrams. So the flow diagram shows the alkene can be used to prepare organic compounds. The letters A, G represent different organic reactions, right? And then ama-reactions eyenzakalayo. Write down the type of reaction represented by A. So ifundisise kahle i-structure sakho, uyibone ukuthi kwenzakalani. Is ama-reactions usheshe wa-indicate ukuthi kwenzakalani ukuze ungabi confused. So lapha ku-A kade kuyi-alkene, kanje. So yini ke esizoyenzeka lapha? So let us continue kahle kanjalo. So write down the type of reaction represented by A. So la njengoba sibona it was an alkene with layer double bond. So kwenzakalani? Kwaphuma upropane kanjaya. So kwenzeke i-addition reaction. Leyo addition reaction ku-edwe bani? U-hydrogen ona two sides lapha, shuthi kwenzeke i-hydrogenation. Hydrogenation ifola under addition reaction. And then we go to number B, reaction yenzeke ku B. Siyiboneke yona. B from propane to layer compound X, compound Y. Asiyazi ke leyo compound Y, but na kula from alkene si-add u-HCl kuphuma u-compound Y. So kwenzakalani ke lapha? Kwenzeka i-substitution reaction ngenxa ukuthi phela la kade ku-propane, lapha into esizophuma la kuzophuma i-haloalkane. So makusuka la uza la leya reaction kwenzeka i-substitution reaction okuyi-halogenation ngenxa ukuthi kade ku-propane, leya chlorine leya sizobonda laphaya kwenzeke i-halogenation. So simple kanjalo. Then move on to E. E from E major alcohol buyele back to alkene kanje aya. I-reaction yalapho obviously kuphuma amanzi lapho ukuze kuphume i-alkene. So kwenzeka i-dehydration. Dehydration ifola under i-elimination reaction. So kulula nje ukubona, yabona la mo add amanzi kuphuma i-alcohol. So mawubuyele emuva fanele eliminate la amanzi ukuze kuphume i-alkene leya. Write down the IUPAC name of compound X. Compound X suka la ku-alkene size lapha, should lapha kuphuma i-haloalkane ngenxa ukuthi phela kuzo-addeka u-hydrogen, kwenzeka i-halogenation lapha. Bebengasibuza leyo reaction. So mawusu-adda u-H no-Br, so i-IUPAC name ke yalapha izoba, sibheke lapha ngithi mawuyi-breaker leya bond le kuzovuleka ama-sites awu-2 major products. Sekuzoba izothatha ku-carbon number 2 bromine, futhi izoba ku-2- broma propane. That's i-IUPAC name yakhona. So just to show ukuthi lento iphuma kanjani, kade kuyi-alkene sizo-breaker leya bond leya khona. Just quickly nje ukuyiveza lento, 1 2 3, i-break sibreakile. And then ke since we-major products bromine sizothatha la carbon number 2 and then la kuba H, since phela ku-adda liyabona ukuthi kwenzeke i-addition leya hydrogen kanye ne-halogen leya kwenzeka i-hydrohalogenation. For reaction D, write down the type of elimination reaction ku-reaction D. Obvious kade kwenzeke i-hydrohalogenation, mase sibuyele emuva ke sekuzoba i-dehydrohalogenation. So we'll just write that down. Kwenzeka dehydrohalo, not dehydro phela ak-eliminate ku-hydrogen lapha phela eliminate ne-halogen, dehydrohalogenation. So manje into esiyenzeka sesibuyele emuva sesi-eliminate lo nalo sekuzoba ne-double bond lapha njengoba siyibona lapha phezulu. So yabonakala 2 reaction conditions. For reaction D, write down the type of reaction. 2 reaction conditions adingakalayo. For i-dehydrohalogenation into yokuqala edingakalayo it is heat. So yabona nje sikubuyela kuleya into. And then ethanoic acid, maybe ethanoic acid for represent a strong base. Ethanoic strong base. One ama reaction conditions lawa uthiwa adingakalayo. To write down the formula of a inorganic reactants needed for reaction F. So siye ku reaction F yiphi ke? Write down the formula of inorganic reactant needed for reaction F. Should say inorganic ayi involve C carbon atom, should say ngayi enye into nje mhlawumbe ngawo NaOH ngayi noma yini nje oh, and then suka lapha kwi hydrohalogenation siya kwi alcohol. So inorganic compound engafomisheka lapha ngaba uyena u-NaOH okanye ngaba u-KOH phela eliminateka lapha OH kanje. So balance the equation using structural formula for reaction G. So balance a structural formula for reaction G asamsa ubona reaction G suka la kwi major alcohol siya lapha ku compound Y osene usuka la ku propane shothi seno C. So let us write la kwi major products ukuthi ibani lo. So sekuzoba 1 2 3 phela ku carbon number 2 kunaleya OH bond structural formula. That's why ngidrawa kanje u-add ke nani no HCl ukuze kuphume bani, ukuze kuphume phela sekuzo lo substitution reaction phela lo sizongena lapha right. Then yes stock indicator ke logo ke sithi ke 1 2 3 uzophumelwa Cl and then plus phela ngithi sekwenzeka i-substitution lwa OH lo substitutiwe la OH lo substitutile usezobonda nalo H lo osele, and then masenza leyo bondi bese kuphuma amanzi H2 ngeke sithi H2O ngenxa yokuthi molecular formula, so ubhala in this form. So 4 marks bhala nje leya into njengoba injaya. Ukhandeke kanjani lo 4 marks? Khandeke ngokuthi identify le structure lesi 1 2 3 and then bese ubhala ne inorganic compound le yokugcina. So aphela kanjalo ke nje sesiwenzile yonke ama questions involve ama reactions, involve i boiling point ne vapor pressure and then ne naming yakho. So iphelela kanjalo ke organic chemistry.